Hello people, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing off, giving a Syhuu update, as I have been doing for the past while. So, I want to just say I have been finally getting access to test the ISOs using my genius solution of I would unplug it but it's pre-mounted. I'm basically got a USB stick that I'm basically sharing between the actual host and the virtual machine, and then I'll send the ISO from the USB stick onto the computer, the host, and then I do another virtual machine. So the virtual machine on the left is what I use to make the ISOs, and it's configured to be what I want for what's it called, for the Syhuu. And this one on the right here is an actual Syhuu ISO. You can see it says Syhuu there. To install Syhuu, follow the installation guide. Now I've finally done one thing that I have been meaning to do for a while, and that is to set up a live desktop environment. So if I type StartX, you will get eventually a desktop, the Mate desktop, of course. Well, you might not know, but yeah, I'm using the Mate desktop. Now, unfortunately, right now, I haven't worked out how exactly the config for Mate actually works, and also it's missing like whatever font packages. Is it like Noto Sans? I don't know. It's missing some sort of font package, so the font looks like that. Now, there is a bit of a distinct lack of packages. By that I mean not necessarily this. As you can see, this works. I think fish is here as well. Yeah, I do have fish. Cool. But the big one I'm thinking immediately is I accidentally forgot the Firefox package. Luckily, when you have a GUI, a desktop, it's a lot easier to think, oh yeah, I'm missing that package, I'm missing this package. So of course what I can do on the virtual machine here is I can go into accessories, and no, it's system tools, sorry. For some reason the button on the dock no longer works, just gives me the no plugins was found. If I go into the side, the VLAN, and go into not the Pacman, it's the packages.conf I want, I can easily just go, oh yes, where's the F, and then it could be like RS, so it'd be here, Firefox, and boom, now you've got a web browser once I make the new ISO. And you might want to check, is Pluma on here? Pluma, for those unaware, is the text editor that I'm literally using right now. No, it isn't. So what I can do is just do Pluma. I can also do what I could add Uwu fetch. Should I add Uwu fetch? Sure. Because that is actually a package on the main repos, believe it or not. So yeah. And then I can generate the ISO. I won't do that right now, reasons of system resources, and to be fair, there's really not much on this virtual machine. For some reason Vim's installed, no offense, go away. And yeah, so there's like all the packages so far. I mean, one of the goals, as I did say, was to use the Linux LTS cable kernel, so that's a task to do. also need to try and work out how exactly to configure the OS release. I've done it before. I've got a file called like OS release, and it should be, what is it? I think it's oops. I think it is in etc, right? I believe that's where it should be. Go, yeah, there's an OS release there, and if I oh god, I'm gonna vim the OS release. I'm assuming that's, it says Syhuu, you know, but clearly it's not working, so I don't know what's going on there. And let's just queue. Luckily I know how to quit in Vim. That's all I really know, and then it's like WQ, I think, to save it. But yeah, I don't really get what's going on there, because I believe it should theoretically be saying Syhuu. I could look at an old Syhuu ISO, although I'm not sure I'm actually able to access it right now. Although I think it's on my Ventor USB. I don't know where that USB's gone though, unfortunately. But yeah, guess that's going to be it for the Syhuu update. Not much else to say. Hopefully soon there'll be a bit more development. I might make another Syhuu update tomorrow. You never know. See you whenever. And goodbye, people. Yeah, goodbye. Ignore this mess.